So if you didn't notice, my outside wall, there's coming tar out of it. So I have no flue inside my chimney. Inside as well. So what we're gonna do, I ordered a flexible flue pipe, but my ladder isn't reaching all the way up, so I have an idea. So my plan is to put the ladder on the trailer, so I have a meter extra or so. Then ratchet strap it down to the trailer, and then I have climbing gear. I attach myself to the chimney, and then I can measure and do everything I want up there. It's only 8 meters, so yeah. The spider. So, the plan. Removing this pipe, get the flexible flue liner down, get the wood stove, shove it inside here, connect the flexible flue liner with this connector piece for now. I don't want to make it pretty for now, I just want to get some heat in the house. I'm gonna make it pretty if I don't need the wood stove anymore this summer or something.
Found this cottage out of time, walls of stone that climb and climb, dancing dust in morning light, echoes of some yester's flight, broken shutters, faded dreams, garden wild with hidden streams, whispers float on lavender in this place where hearts confer. Brush in hand I paint my past, mend the cracks weaves a life from a dream. Old oak tables scarred by tales, glass that's fragile like the sails, faded curtains sway in grace, mark the hours night and day. Every stroke a love affair, crafted with deliberate.
So they put a big stone in to keep the ashes from the plate or something, I don't know. But I can't get it through with this last thingy, but maybe it's kind of heavy. Well, I was hoping I could put it through the gap, like there you go. It's through the gap. Look how much it came out of the dark black hole. So we made a hole. Let's try if it fits. Probably not, but it does. So that's nice. We're gonna clean it out a little better now we're at this point. So I'm gonna lower down the rope so we can attach it to the flexible flue liner and then get it through.